Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Fox Sports app. So you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, then you click on apps, come to apps list, and here you're looking for Fox Sports app. Or just click on search, then here at Fox Sports, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. Click on full stop, click on OK here. So then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage is here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, you click here on your Play Store here, you search here for Fox Sports. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. As well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.